Hey Mama, it's Infant Mental Health Awareness Week, and I know many of you might be wondering why would we be thinking or worrying or should be concerned about infant mental health. And the reality is that the experience that a woman has when she is pregnant impacts baby. Her actions, her beliefs, her feelings, all of that gets passed on to baby. And there's a reason for that, right? We're trying to prepare baby for the world he or she is going to be born into. But there's also very sort of global impact and long-term impact of this. So when mom is stressed, the very taste of the amniotic fluid changes. When mom is upset, when mom is experiencing violence, if she doesn't have a peaceful pregnancy, that will impact baby's life and not being peaceful. They found countries that experience more violence, that the women are experiencing violence during their pregnancy, whether that's in the external world around them or local to them in their family and neighborhoods. And so world ecology starts with womb ecology. I've become really interested and passionate about this subject that scientists are learning in the West at a higher level. Of course, it has not trickled down to our medical practitioners. However, it's something that's been known and learned and studied about in the East, particularly in my culture of in India, the Ayurvedic system, that it is incredibly important to protect mother's mental health during pregnancy because all of that is being experienced by baby. So if you think about that one child, of course, his or her life is super important and critical. But then if you multiply that by all of the women that get pregnant and all of them who don't experience peace in their pregnancy, think about the world that we're creating, right? So we want to give our children the best in life, but that best in life actually starts at conception. So if we conceive and carry and deliver, bring to this earth our babies with love and compassion and have communities to support that, imagine the kind of world that we would live in. And so this is Infant Mental Health Awareness Week, which is super important. The idea of birth psychology is also very important and something that most of us don't know about, but should be talked about and really promoted when we talk about maternal health and, just add it to the list of issues that isn't being addressed or discussed in our country, but definitely something that impacts all of us, whether you have children, you don't have children, however old you are. The experience that a pregnant woman has will impact you. It will absolutely impact you, whether, in the short term or in the long term, but that world ecology again starts with womb ecology.